Welcome to Nandakchi channel. In this episode, I'm gonna make a mango cheesecake for you. Let's get started. Biscuit puree, melted butter, lemon zest, press the biscuit to the body and bottom of the mold like me. Put in the oven for 10 minutes. Cream cheese, sugar, lemon zest, cream, whipped cream, vanilla. Whatever ingredients you add, then stir well. Milk, dissolved gelatin, pour into the biscuit mold. Put in the fridge for 3 hours. Mango puree, sugar. While stirring for 5 minutes, add other ingredients. Dissolved gelatin, vanilla, let cool down. Pour into the biscuit mold as the next layer. Put in the fridge again for 3 hours. Gently remove the mold. Add some caramel as a top layer. Decorate to your taste. Put in the fridge again for 3 hours. Okay, that's it for today. Enjoy your fresh cheesecake. Thank you for watching and happy baking.